In the dimly lit hospital ward, the faint beeping of monitors and the rhythmic breathing of ventilators created an eerie ambience that was only occasionally punctuated by the shuffling footsteps of Nurse David. His eyes, tired yet gentle, observed the rows of beds filled with patients teetering on the edge of life, some groaning softly in their slumber. His touch was tender as he checked their vitals, offering comfort where medical science had ceased to work. David's mind often wandered back to his early days in nursing, where his compassionate heart drove him to stay up late, comforting the ill. The images of patients whispering their earnest wishes for relief from unending torment played like a haunting reel in his head. He remembered the poignant conversations with those longing for peace, the heavy weight of helplessness merging with empathy that he felt at their bedside. One night, as a particularly agonizing sob filled the room, David stood frozen outside the door of Mr. Thompson, a patient whose cancer had chained him to an existence of relentless pain. The nurse hesitated before stepping in, his hand trembling as it lingered over the ventilator's control. With a silent prayer for forgiveness and a tear gliding down his cheek, he turned off the machine. Mr. Thompson's face relaxed as he exhaled one last time, passing gently into eternal rest. It wasn't the last time David would perform these mercy interventions. Regularly, he found himself repeating the act, feeling simultaneously peace and agony. But the shadow of suspicion began to creep through the corridors of the ward. The frequency of unexplained passings under David's care did not go unnoticed, and soon whispers turned into formal investigations. The turmoil within David grew, reflected in his tired eyes, now ringed with guilt. The final crescendo came when a fellow nurse, James, stumbled upon his secret. In the ensuing confrontation, a heated exchange filled the sterile room with tension. David's heartfelt plea that his actions were acts of mercy echoed in James's ears, leaving a lingering silence between them.